The National Eisteddfod's open exhibition is one of the highlights of the visual arts calendar in Wales. For 1 week of the year, at Lle Celf Pavilion is our national gallery for contemporary art, and it reflects what artists and makers have accomplished at a given time. The aim of the exhibition is to celebrate excellence, innovation, vision and commitment in contemporary art and crafts in Wales. Lle Celf draws up to 40,000 visitors every year and attracts much media attention too. 2 significant awards are offered to honour excellence by artists and makers: the Gold Medal for our fine art and the Gold Medal for craft and design, the only national accolades awarded to Wales artists and makers. The Young Artist Scholarship is also offered to foster new talent. As is customary, a panel of specialists will select the open exhibition and decide on the awards. The panel of 3 changes from year to year. That's the beauty of the system. The 3 selectors at Anglesey 2017 will be artist Carwyn Evans, independent curator Kerry Jones, and Jessica Hemmings, Professor of Craft at the University of Gothenburg, Sweden. This year again, the intention is to select work by up to 30 artists. And bear in mind, submissions in all media, both fine and applied art, are welcome, including the moving image and performance. Who is eligible to participate in the open exhibition? Well, with the aim of being as inclusive as possible, the exhibition is open to any person born in Wales, or with one of their parents born in Wales, or any person resident or working in Wales for the 3 years prior to the date of the Eisteddfod, or any person able to speak or write the Welsh language. The procedure? To begin with, it's a matter of presenting JPEG images on USB or disk, or by now, you may also apply online. And the all-important closing date, the 1st of March, St. David's Day. As well as offering a platform for established artists, by being selected, a Lle Celf Open Exhibition can be an important stepping stone to young and emerging artists. The National Eisteddfod's Lle Celf affords an unique opportunity to display the best visual arts to Wales and the world.